All right, one of the tricky things about doing an R is it's not symmetrical. And if we look at this diagram right here, it's folded in half, and then this top part gets folded down to that half mark. So what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna take my paper, I'm gonna fold it in half, just so I know where that half mark is. I'm gonna open it back up, and I'm gonna fold this part back down. Now, the next thing that we talk about when we're looking at our steps that we take is basically, we already answered the question, is it symmetrical? It's not. So we're gonna fold, and we got our folds there. Which corners do we remove? Now, if you think about this from here, basically there's a round shape that goes like right this, and then this comes down here. So what we end up doing is I fold this down. It's this corner now that I need to round. So I'm gonna round this corner. And this looks all awkward right now because I'm doing it goofy. And I'm gonna come down to here, and where that half mark is. Then from this corner to here is how I get that exterior shape set. Does that look like an R?
No. Yes, it do.
That's the worst end I ever made.
I'm so glad that one of you's awake this morning. So I'm gonna fold this back down, and then again, all I'm doing is staying an equal distance away from my exterior edge, staying around there, staying an equal distance away from my exterior edge. Now, when I open this back up, now I got my top part, right? This line right here should be continuous, correct? Can we all agree on that?
Yes.
And then I'm gonna stop when I get to this halfway point. So I'm gonna continue this line right here. Then I'm gonna cut along that fold line that I had. And then I'm gonna stay an equal distance away from here. Now we're just getting into the point where I'm evaluating, seeing what I did. If I look at this part right here might be a little too thin. So I probably am gonna wanna do this over again, but the rest of it is kinda okay. But this is that part where you learn and you think about what you're doing and you get going on what you got going on. Okay?
That's the video.
So this is my R.